To prepare certain promotions, you must take into account certain laws or restrictions depending on the state, city, or country you are targeting. You may have a great copywriter who sends thousands of emails to your customers inviting them to shop with you. But still, you have to get all the emails exported to send the personalized message, and doing it from WooCommerce is possible, but you will have to spend hours doing it. To help you with this, we will show you how to use the WP Sheet Editor User Spreadsheet plugin to export your customers' emails, filtering them by country, state, or city. We have left the link in the description of this video to download the plugin, and you will also find a link that will take you to our written guide. First, let's learn to filter your customers' emails by country. To do this, open the search tool and select the customer role. Enable the advanced filters by tickling here. Then, select the field billing country. Leave equal as the operator, and write the country you are looking for as the value. Finally, run the search and all customer emails from the country you have chosen will be displayed. You can easily find your customers' emails by state too. Just open the search tool and select the role customer. Then enable the advanced filters and fill out these fields. In this one, select the billing state field. Leave the operator equal here, and enter the state to which the customer's emails should belong. And run the search for the results to be displayed in seconds. Now, let's see how to find all the customer emails by city. Open the search tool and select the role customer. Enable the advanced filters. Then select the billing city field. Leave the operator equal, and enter the city here. Finally, run the search and the results will appear in the spreadsheet. Once you've filtered your customers' emails by country, city, or state, you can just copy the content of the email column and paste it into a Google document or wherever you need to. If you don't want to export users' emails copying from the spreadsheet, you can use the plugin's export tool. Here, we'll select to export only the email column, but you can export all the columns you need. Then, select the app you'll use to edit the file and export the file. This is an example of how your CSV file will look like. Definitely, using the WP Sheet Editor User Spreadsheet plugin to export your customers' emails will help you to save a lot of your time. Remember that in the video description you'll find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.